Hello and welcome to our SketchUp tutorials for beginners. Using interactive rendering in V-Ray for SketchUp is a great way to set up each scene. Any changes you make in the scene are instantly visible in the interactive render. That way, setting up the illumination, materials, camera view, and every little detail becomes simpler and, yes, much more fun. Besides interactive, there are a few additional ways to render in V-Ray, mostly used for different stages of the final rendering. The first way is called progressive rendering, which is enabled when switching the interactive toggle off in the V-Ray asset editor. You can control the quality using the slider, or you can stop rendering at any point if you like the result. There are certain differences between progressive and interactive. First, if you change something in the scene or move around, this does not change the already started render in progressive. Second, with progressive rendering, you have more control over the global illumination engines. If you switch off to progressive from the toggle, this will enable V-Ray for SketchUp to use bucket rendering. The quality of both global illumination and the rendering is very easily controlled with the same quality slider. Using the current interior as an example, you can see the difference between the draft and the final high-quality render. Of course, the better the quality, the longer the rendering, a sacrifice that all 3D artists are aware of. V-Ray for SketchUp brings a wide variety of ways to render your 3D scenes and show them in the best light possible. The decision which type of rendering to use for the different situations depends on your personal workflow and preferences. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more great tips on how to use SketchUp. Have questions? Consider getting SketchUp Pro or want to get in touch? Feel free to find us at www.aeco.space. See you next time.